Cinematic lighting, check.
Audio, check.
Cool 3D printed business card holder.
Check. That's R2E2. My name's William. This is my buddy Isaac. And they are both suffering from the lack of stabilization. You know what they need? They need the B-roll slayer. What is the B-roll slayer? Wow, the B-roll slayer is an awesome DSLR mounted rifle stock that allows you to be super stable while you're shooting that B-roll just looking fly.
Which is important, you know.
Some people might ask, who are you making this B-roll slayer for?
For Peter McKinnon, of course. He's been all of our inspiration to get this channel up off the ground, so it only makes sense to make him something really cool and unique just for him.
Alright, let's get this thing made. What do we got? My quiver. Oh, so cute. Overused. Wuxn M1 prototype. Keeping this.
Aren't 3D printers supposed to 3D print things?
Yeah, this isn't gonna work. We can't 3D print the B-roll slayer on a cheap printer like this.
If we continue at this rate, we're gonna be here till the end of time.
Yeah. This is not the way. I'm super stoked. It's been a couple of days since we got rid of that cheap printer. Isaac finally just showed up. Looks like he got us some really awesome stuff. What'd you get us, man?
Okay, so I went ahead and took the liberty to order us some Wuxn M1 desktop 3D printers, which should allow us to make the B-roll slayer for Peter McKinnon now.
Are we eating lunch first before we start?
Absolutely.
want chicken nugget? No? Okay. R2E2.
Get out of the shot, damn it!
Take 2.
Oh my goodness. That thing is unreal.
Wow. Oh, that has straight up Star Wars feels. That's hot out of Mando's oven.
That has to be forged from the finest of Beskar steel.
Oh, dude, Peter McKinnon style.
Oh my gosh, that thing is unreal. That strap placement. What?
Wow, it's so gorgeous.
Is that how that thing functions too? You can just pull the trigger and snap photo or video?
Oh yeah, that's gotta be it.
Oh my god.
Not only that, but you're gonna look so good doing it.
Who did we hire at Wuxn to make this?
I don't know.
We need to give them a raise. I guess we need to go out and test her out.
Oh, that was not good.
Oh my gosh, wind plus sand plus camera gear is an absolute nightmare.
Oh yeah, definitely a horrible combination.
Oh my god.
There's sand everywhere.
I actually broke the T7i. The mechanical shutter does not freaking work anymore.
Oh god. Poor boots.
Well, we had a lot of fun with Wuxn Makes episode number 1.
We solved our stabilization issue, and now this Wuxn Makes episode 2.
So what?
So if not already, make sure you head over to Instagram. You follow us at Wuxn Prints. We got an amazing grid where we document everything that we do here at Wuxn Makes. I'm not going to talk about it anymore. Just check this out. You see this grid? You see this grid?
A color grade though.
Color grid. You see the sneak peeks? We do sneak peeks on each
Sneak peeks for
episode.
days.
Keep up to date. Follow us.
That was harsh. Just has never smiled for a camera in his life. First photo, Billy.
Alright, so obviously we want to get this B-roll slayer sent out to Peter McKinnon as soon as we can. But I think as a community we have something a little bit more serious that we're concerned about.
So right now with the epidemic going on, we're going to offer our 3D print farm to anyone that might be considered an essential personnel or company to use our services free of charge. That might be to 3D print an air respirator or whatever it might be. We'll do it at the hundreds, if not thousands of scales. So if you need anything right now, we're here and we want to just help out the community in the times right now. So
yeah, we have a website, wuxnprints.com. We're going to have contact information on there. So if you know anybody or you are somebody, just reach out to us. We want to help however we can.
Where are you going, R2?
Hey. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure.
There we are.
As my grandma would always say. Alright, buddy, you're good to go.
Solid.